Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this small video, I am going to discuss a topic on the Vastu science, and this topic is the angles in the corners of the plot. Well, in Vastu science, Vastu advocates only square or rectangular plots as all the four angles in the square or rectangle are of 90 degrees. The straight lines in the square or the rectangle represent order, and any bulge or any abnormality in any of the corner of the house, it creates some kind of a inauspiciousness because the two sides no longer meet each other. So I made some small notes as to what you should see as far as the angle of the plot is concerned while you are kind of finalizing the purchase of a plot. So the corners are very important spots as they receive energies from both the sides. So if either side is cut or bulged or it is in a very irregular shape, then one has to be very careful before purchasing such a plot. A bad corner can create severe setbacks. For example, a bad southeast. So if southeast is extended, if southeast is cut, or you have a washroom in southeast, then it may cause severe health issues for the family. It may also cause sudden legal cases, especially in your horoscope if you have Venus afflicted, because Venus represents southeast, and if Venus is afflicted, for example, sitting in the sixth house, afflicted by Rahu, then you will find that such person, the owner of that house, may suffer from kidney diseases. So, such is the importance of the corner of the plot or the corner of the house. Likewise, if northwest is cut or if northwest is not, you know, it has an irregular shape, then you will find that the owner of the house may become bankrupt, and he may suffer huge losses because northwest, that area in Vastu also represents banking support. It also represents customers attraction. So if you damage your northwest corner, it will 100% make you little problematic as far as money flow is concerned and bankruptcy is concerned. The angles are very important. It is important to see at what angle northeast, southeast, southwest, etc. is there. So in northeast corner should be equal to or less than 90 degrees. Northeast corner should never exceed 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degrees, it's the best. But if it is uh, uh, exceeding 90 degrees, then please avoid buying that plot. Likewise, in southeast, corner should be equal to or more than 90 degrees. Equal to or more than 90 degrees. So if the southeast corner in the map, in the compass is coming to 110 degrees, then you can straight away approve it. But it should not be less than 90 degrees. Likewise, southwest corner should be exact 90 degrees. It should not be less, it should not be more. Southwest corner should be exact 90 degrees. Northwest corner should be equal to or more than 90 degrees. It should not be less than 90 degrees. So these are the parameters you should see on the angles of the plot. Another mention here is about the Shermukhi plot. What is Shermukhi plot? That if the frontage of the plot is more than the backside of the plot, that is called as a Shermukhi plot. But here also in the Shermukhi plot, if the main entrance of the plot is facing the northern direction, that means the road is towards the north of this plot, then naturally your northeast may be little extended because it is broader from the front and narrower from the back. So the northeast gets extended. That is very, very auspicious. And these Shermukhi plots are especially auspicious for commercial purposes. You want to buy a plot for a large, huge of chunk of land for building a mall, shopping complex, hospital, college. For commercial purposes, Shermukhi plots facing the northern direction with northeast extended is excellent, or northeast not exactly at 90 degrees also is excellent. But if the same Shermukhi plot where the front is broader and the back is narrower, if the same Shermukhi plot is facing south direction, then it is considered to be very inauspicious. So this was some information about the angle of the land and angle of the plots, which you should be very careful about, because these are very minute details. But later on, buying a plot which is unnecessary extended or cut or having some kind of an anomaly in either of the corners will create some kind of a issue. So it is therefore important to keep these things in mind, the angles and the shape of the plot. So in case you need any vastu consultancy or horoscope consultation, I am available at 9742 881188. This is Yash Chandra signing off. And in case you have not purchased my book, Simplified Sutras of Vedic Astrology, it is available at Amazon. Please do buy and encourage us for write something more, something better on occult science. Please do subscribe to my channel, Astro Know Me, on YouTube. In case you have not subscribed, you will benefit from these scientific informations which I keep updating on my channel from time to time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till we meet again, goodbye and take a good care of yourself.